So let's jump in and talk just a little bit about the Metro Atlanta residential real estate update for the last 7 days. You almost always have your research done, so you have very similar data to me for your market.
Yes.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
New listings for the week.
4,398.
We were at 2,910, but the DFW market is bigger than Atlanta. I think the population is bigger, but it also seems to be getting more listings flowing into the market. I think your inventory has grown faster than ours. Would you agree with that?
I would definitely agree with that.
2,910 new listings in the last 7 days. 1,312 under contracts.
We have 1,893
that went under contract in the last week. That's great. We had 1,528 closings, getting up to that about 2,000 a week, which will happen during the summer.
They were at 2,609 closings.
So a lot. And price decreases. Metro Atlanta market was 2,885 price decreases for the week.
Oh, I'm not sure if this is a win.
Oh, it's not a win. Now, in many cases, like, for example, more listings flowing into the market in Dallas is probably less of a win for Dallas than it is for Atlanta because you get more inventory. And this is not about who's winning, who's losing.
I know. Our price decreases are at 5,839.
For the week.
For the last 7 days.
I want you to think about that for a minute, Tammy. That's 5,400. And I know you experience it every day, but I don't want you to think about it from a real estate broker's perspective. What about the homeowners?
I know.
Who have to go through that mental dance they have to go through to say, yes, I need to reduce my price.
Yeah, and it is a constant thing that we talk about in the office and that we talk about with our sellers and we talk about with our buyers because you don't know really who to look at for this, right? Is it agents who don't know how to correctly price houses?
Partly.
Or is it agents who don't know how to correctly instruct their sellers?
Partly. Right? How you like that? I just say yes to whatever it is you say. I mean, it's some of both.
Right.
Would you agree?
I mean, yeah, it is. And some of it is agents taking on listings with sellers who weren't likely very motivated to begin with.
And in some cases, it's agents who've been in the business, since 2010 or 2012 or something like that. And so they've only seen the market increasing. They weren't in it from, 2000 to 2009 or 10 or 11 when the market was crashing. So they don't really know how to handle that. So it's so interesting to compare and contrast those two markets.